Sonic the Hedgehog, written and drawn by Mr. Mckenzie. This comic is about 20 years old. He jumps, he dashes, he spins. He's cool. Sonic the Hedgehog spins into action in this new adventure with a boy who came from another world and is willing to help Sonic defeat the evil enemies. Will Sonic and his friends come out on top? Let's hope he can save the planet. Let's hope he can save his planet. But for now, be amazed for what will happen next. And then you've got the barcode and the Sonic the Hedgehog website. Man, I'm bored. What should I do? What? A plane! Watch out! You're gonna crash! Man, I wonder who that was. I better check if they are alright. Now, where am I? What? I'm on the beach, in the middle of the ocean, and I'm tied up. Who's that snoring? Huh? Oh, it's Tails. Hey, he must have been the pilot I saw a while ago. Spin attack. That's better. Hey, are you all right? Hey, Sonic, long time no see, huh? Yeah, it's been a long time. Sonic, the whole island is sinking. Hold my hand. Okay, it's a good thing you can still fly. Meanwhile, yes, Knuckles, you did brilliant. Thank you, Doctor. Soon they will be the shark's dinner. Knuckles, I need you to get me something. 7 Chaos Emeralds to complete my creation of Hypersonic. Yes, Doctor. So, Tails, are you a pilot? Yeah, maybe one day you could drive in it. Huh? What was that? Thank you. This is all I want. Sonic, that's the person who captured me in my plane. And he's got a Chaos Emerald. Get him, Sonic! Leave this to me, Tails. I got this one. Vortex attack. Uh-oh. To be continued.
So here are some examples of comics I made when I was a little bit younger. I think these were set up in the same way that Mr. Mckenzie is telling you to. Have a little look inside. Ooh, Spider-Man. Oh, look, Mr. Mckenzie.
That's all we have time for today. Don't forget to wash your hands. Tops and bottoms. Tops and bottoms. In between. In between. All around the fingers. All around the fingers. All around the fingers. Now they're clean. Tops and bottoms. Tops and bottoms. In between. All around the fingers, all around the fingers, all around the fingers. Now they're clean.